All right. Let's pick up on number 6. All right, number 6, the perimeter of a rhombus is 40. So if the perimeter is 40 and every side in a rhombus is congruent, that means each one is 10. Now, a rhombus, I can use base times height. All right, to find my area. Okay. Notice how we have a 45-degree angle there. That means this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. All right, this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Our general case, remember, is a root 2. Okay, so unfortunately, in this case, 10 is our a root 2 side. Now, we didn't really do any of these, all right, where 10 is our a root 2 side, but we might as well give it a shot. Okay, I think we can handle it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set a radical 2 equal to 10. Okay, now I want to get rid of my square root. So in order to get rid of a square root, I'm going to square everything. Square both sides. Now remember, I'm going to square the square root, and I have to square a. So this is going to be a squared times 2. And that's going to equal 100. I want to get rid of the 2. So a squared equals 50. Now, I got to get rid of the squared, so I square root. All right. It's a little bit, we didn't really do a whole lot of these this semester, okay? But, happen. Simplify 25, or simplify 50 to be 25 and 2. Square root of 25 I know equals 5. There is no square root of 2, so a is 5 root 2, which makes our height 5 root 2. Area is going to equal base times height. I can also use the d1 times d2 over 2, but I have no information about my diagonals here. Okay, so it's not going to help me. All right, the best one here is use base times height. So I know the base is 10 and the height is now 5 radical 2. Okay, so since that is true, 5 times 10 will give me 50 radical 2 centimeters squared. All right, let's go on the next one. The surface area of a sphere is 100, then what is the radius? So to find the surface area of a sphere, I use 4 pi r squared. Well, now I know what the surface area is, so I'm going to take this 100 pi and plug it in for SA. So now this becomes 100 pi equals 4 pi r squared. Divide both sides by 4 pi. See, pi. 100 divided by 4 is 25 equals r squared. Square root both sides, r is 5. If I asked you to find the volume, I would plug this into the volume formula now. Okay? But I only asked you to find the radius. Let's keep going. Number 8. Number 8 is a combo shape. It's made up of 2 different shapes. Right? It's made up of a triangle and a rectangle. So like it's broken down here, I want to find the area of the triangle, then the area of the rectangle, and then just total them up. Okay? Area of the triangle, all right, well, sorry there. All right, we're back. So to find the area of a triangle, I need to base times height divided by 2. It might be easier to do the rectangle first. I'm just going to do the rectangle first. Area of the rectangle equals 4 times 7, which equals 28. All right. Well, this 16 is here for a reason, right? The 16 is the height of the entire shape. Okay, it's our entire shape. Since 16 is the height of our entire shape, and this piece is 4, then that means the height of my triangle here is 12. Right, h equals 12. Okay. And then the base is just 7. It's a rectangle. These sides are congruent. All right. I'll find the area of my triangle now. I'm going to do base, so 7 times 12 over 2, which ends up being 42. Total area, 42 plus 28, 70 units squared. Last one, this page number 9. The triangle has an area of 48 and a height of 16. What is the length of the base? So area equals base times height over 2. Area is 48. The base is 16. Not sure what the height is, and that's over 2. I can do this two ways. I can divide 16 by 2 right away. So 48 equals 8h, and then just divide both sides by 8. So h would get 6, right? Inches. Or I could clear the 2 out by multiplying both sides by 2. Okay, I could also do this times 2 times 2. And what that's 96 equals 16h, and then divide by 16, divide by 16. But I'll still get h to be 6. All right, I'm going to stop there, pick up on the next page.